Alright, let's talk. You know that feeling. Bomb defuse scene, the clock is ticking down. 10, 9, 8, everyone holding their breath. For millions, that's Pi Network right now. A digital countdown has been ticking for years. Whispers and shouts, the open mainnet is near. What happens when the clock hits zero? Excitement. Confusion. Questions. This is not just an app anymore. Daily tapping could become something real. Something you can actually use. With great power comes great responsibility. En daber statsam porber controles daber andin. En daber stand, andober datsen naber andel dad lots und daber pober. Adalber bod of bull reserve dome instructions. Today, we break it all down. What launch complete really means. Are you ready? Be informed, not just excited. So, for anyone living under a very non-digital rock, a quick recap. What is the Pi Network? Earning a cryptocurrency by proving you're human once a day. No power-hungry rigs, no complicated math. Open app, tap button, that's it. In 2019, a few Stanford grads launched it. A cryptocurrency for everyone, not just tech elites. From one phone in 2019 to millions by 2025. People loved the low-effort mining. Balances rose, digit by digit. But for years, it was monopoly money, inside the app. You couldn't take it into the real world. That was the enclosed mainnet, a dress rehearsal, years of testing, community, and patience. Now, launch complete, from practice to main event, monopoly money could become usable currency. With one last leap. That leap is the open mainnet. Let's talk about mainnet. Simple idea, big impact. Years building a small-scale model to test everything. That controlled world is testnet, where bugs are found. Mainnet builds the real city, real roads, real buildings, real traffic. Mainnet is live, functioning, public. Launch, complete, core infrastructure finished. Rules of the road are set. It's ready for the public to move in. Coins stuck in app can finally move on to mainnet. They gain potential utility and value. But you need the right keys. Wallet plus KYC for the smooth transition. It's not a switch flip, it's a managed process. A careful bridge from testnet to a secure open mainnet. Open mainnet means the walls are coming down. Before, Pi worked inside a gated resort. Grand opening, gates thrown wide. Your coins, on mainnet, become truly yours to control. Send to anyone, anywhere, without a middleman. Apps and businesses can integrate. Online store. Games. Real utility begins. But it's not automatic. You must take steps. Complete KYC to prove you're unique and human. Create your wallet and secure your private keys. Write them down. Store safely. Never in screenshots or email. Then connections to broader markets become possible. Full ownership and potential real-world interaction. After all this time, will Pi be worth something? Maybe. Open mainnet enables value. It doesn't guarantee it. Value comes from people, supply and demand. One buyer, low price. Many buyers, price can soar. Exchanges listing Pi provide a marketplace. Exposure. Price will be set by buyers and sellers. Expect volatility. Anyone naming day one price is guessing. Stay realistic. Initial value could be tiny, or surprise. Real durable value comes from utility, using Pi. More useful apps. Stronger long-term prospects. Weigh benefits and risks. Patience over hype. Okay class, time to get practical. Mainnet isn't a spectator sport. You must participate. Checklist. Update app, complete KYC, secure wallet, trust official news. Update only from official stores. If invited, complete KYC, your golden ticket to migrate. Create wallet. Write passphrase. Store in 2 safe places. No screenshots. No email. Share with no one. Follow only the official app. Website, verified socials. Scammers want one thing, your private keys. No one will ever need your passphrase and urgency is a red flag. Ignore unofficial links. Use only in-app or official URLs. After go live, start small. Learn, send and receive. Stay informed, safe, curious. Your digital future is in your hands.